Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can create your Bitfinex account. First of all, you have to search Bitfinex in Google and then you have to click on sign up. So after that you will have to sign up using your email, then username and then password and then select country of your residency. Now you have to tell them from where you heard about Bitfinex. After that you can click on sign up. After that, you will have to complete the verification process. Once it is done, you will be sent a verification code on your email. Now this is what the email will look like. Now I just have to simply click on where it says confirm email address. And now we have completed our verification process and now I can log into my account. Now you will have to enter your credentials and then click on login. And now an email will be sent to us in which we will have to verify that I'm the one opening my account. So this is what the email will look like, and now what you have to do is click on where it says complete login. And now our Bitfinex account will be created, and that's it. That is how you can create your Bitfinex account.